Hey, what's going on? Marissa here. In this video, I'm going to talk about, how to know if the product you're choosing to start to promote as an affiliate marketer is going to be right for you. And when I mean by right for you, I mean like get you results, okay? Because that's ultimately what we want to do is we want to make money. And a lot of you probably watching this have a dream of being able to work from home full time, make money online full time. That's actually what I'm doing. And I kind of want to use my experience to help you get a little bit closer to doing that. And this first step in choosing what you're going to stand behind to promote as an affiliate marketer is pretty crucial. It can make or break some people's journeys with affiliate marketing. I find that a lot of people do not go about this step right the first time. I used to think this really didn't matter, but it actually really can matter. If you want to see what I'm personally making really good passive income with as an affiliate marketer, you can click the first link in my video description below to check that out. But let's say you have something already, or you're about to really start marketing. So you want to kind of go through this because now, before I start promoting something, I have a little bit of a checklist, of that they have to meet before I just start going at it, right? So let's go ahead and get into this. And the first one is it already selling well? Sorry if I'm typing super slow, right? Already selling well. Some people kind of get under the, and this may seem like a duh, but I find that a lot of beginner affiliates are a little bit scared of getting behind something or promoting something that people already know about a little bit, okay? You don't really want something where everybody and their mother already knows about in whatever niche you're in. But, sometimes going for things that nobody isn't in or isn't doing well at all, that could be a home run because you could be one of the people that blows it up or whatever. The chances of that happening, if you're a beginner marketer, probably not going to happen. For me, I like to see if somebody's already getting results. And you don't want to go too extreme on this side either. A lot of mistakes people do is people tend to try to see if everybody's getting results. It's not really going to be that way. I'm the kind of person, I'm very motivated. All I have to see is one or a few people doing well, crushing it with something. And that's really all I need because I'm kind of the kind of person that says, well, if they can do it, I can do it too. I know not everybody can have that mindset. It's very important you work on getting to that mindset because it can just help your overall journey and motivation to continue learning and growing in this space. Number two is, does it solve a problem? Okay, let me just break it down like this. As a beginner marketer, it's a little harder to, let's say you're in the niche, in the golfing niche, the golf niche, right? If you're a beginner marketer and you're not super experienced with just, the creative side of marketing and everything like that, selling golf clubs to an audience that more than likely already has golf clubs is going to be kind of hard to do. That's not really solving a problem. But maybe selling something, a course, whatever, that can help beginner golfers improve their swing or whatever technique they're trying to learn, that's probably a little bit easier to get behind as a beginner. You just want to kind of get behind something that's just going to make sense to people. So that's another thing, whether it solves a problem or if it's selling something that people want to know information on. So either it's a really strong want or it solves a problem. Number three, I'm just going to put it like this, simple. What I mean by this is the concept of the product, service, whatever you're promoting, is it simple to understand? Okay, it's simplicity for me. Some people get with really complicated things and they think the more complicated it is or the better it should be. I don't get that at all. I found that the simpler something is for people to understand, the more they gravitate towards it, and probably the easier the money is you're gonna make. Okay, it's gonna really flow a lot easier once you get the hang of a few things. And number four is the commissions worth it. Okay, whoops, thought that kind of wrong with it. Go auto-corrected. As you're in the beginning stages of your affiliate marketing journey, you're going to be spending some time learning and growing. And I think what some people do is they find something that really isn't worth their time, as far as the money that they they are going to make when they start making sales. And this is something I can't really put a price on for you. You're going to have to kind of figure that out. As time goes, as you get better with affiliate marketing, probably the more you're going to see this change a little bit. Let's say, your goal is to make an extra $3,000 a month. Well, there's low ticket items you can promote. 20 bucks, let's just say. You'll need 150 people every month to make $3,000 a month. And for beginners, I don't know, it's up to you if you really think you can do that. I know to get 150 people, that's actually a lot of people. I mean, once you really get the hang of a few things, you can definitely scale to that level and it can seem easy. But I know for beginners, that's not the easiest thing to do. Let's say you're promoting something that's $100. Well, now you only need 30 people a month to make that extra $3,000 a month. That's a lot better than 150. High ticket, I think, is anything from $500 and up, and you would be surprised at how many people are actually buying products, programs, systems, tools, whatever, that are $500 and more. If you've got something where you're making $500 commissions, that means you only need 6 people a month to make an extra $3,000 a month. So that's up to you to kind of decide. When I first started out, I didn't really know any better. I was in something that was low ticket, considered low ticket. Now, I did really well with it, but as time kind of goes on, the more I'm kind of seeing, the mid-range to even high ticket products are just kind of the way to go. You don't need as many people, yet you're still making really good money, right? Once you get the hang of a few things. I've seen some people become affiliate marketers and they're just starting out. And, let's say, they're doing some work in the beginning stages. They're really trying to learn and grow, and it takes a little bit of time. And when they do make that first sale or first few sales, they're like, yeah, it's awesome. But man, that took a little bit of my time. So make sure you're set on, how much you're really going to start making when you do make sales with whatever you're promoting. And if you're thinking, well, yeah, I would need a lot of people selling low ticket and a low ticket item, but it seems like it would be easier to sell than a mid or high ticket offer. I used to think that way, and I can tell you right now, I've been proven over and over and over again that is not true. There really isn't much difference of the work you're going to do selling something low ticket versus mid or high ticket. So, it's up to you ultimately, but I can tell you this, as I've grown, as my skills have increased with affiliate marketing, I definitely aim for the mid to higher ticket types of offers. You're about to start promoting something, make sure you kind of at least check these 4 things off before you're like, this is going to be it. Time is valuable, right? And so you want to make sure it's pointed in the right direction. Hope you liked the video. Give this video a like if you liked it. Also, again, if you want to see what I'm personally making up to $500 on a daily basis with, you can click that first link in my description below. That's if you don't have something, if you don't have a vehicle, if you don't have something that you're willing to really take action with, check that first link out in my video description and you will see me on the other side.